Everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve what is 7 plus half of 14. So let's start with today's video solution. So we will write what they said. 7 plus half of 14 means 14 of this is half. So 7 plus, according to BODMAS rule, we can replace this off with multiplication. Now we'll solve the multiplication part first. BODMAS, because multiplications come first and addition comes next. So now 14 divided by 2 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. So 7 plus half of 14 is 14. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.